Hello my friends, welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, today I have 3 high-protein dairy snacks that are perfect for the mid-afternoon snack. As you know, with longer days, you get more daylight in the evenings. And you may be exercising or pushing your dinner later than before. This is why the PM snack is critical. I always recommend that snack because it can help with exercise performance and helping you fuel throughout the day. So I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you 3 dairy snacks that pair carbohydrates and protein to keep you on track. To start, any snack should be protein-based. Protein can help you feel fuller for longer time. Without protein, you end up feeling hungry again right before you eat. So you end up eating again. My protein choices for the snacks are kefir, cottage cheese, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese. Then I pair my protein snacks with a high-quality carbohydrate source to help you balance blood sugars. And now let me show you the snacks and let's get cooking. First, we have a cottage cheese fruit bowl. Some cottage cheeses have up to 15 grams of protein per half a cup serving. Talk about a lot of nutrition in a small volume. Plus, one thing I love about cottage cheese is that you can find lactose-free varieties as well. The next snack is lovely. Kefir banana chia pudding. Love it. Now, I love kefir because it provides probiotics and helps with digestion. And last but not least, my favorite snack, quesadillas. Who doesn't like quesadillas? So I pair it with vegetables, bell peppers. I just want to feel full. For this, I use a low-carb tortilla, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella. Hard cheeses naturally have minimal lactose. So these cheeses are great for those who have lactose intolerance, like myself. Now let's taste the snacks. I'm gonna go for the quesadilla. I love cheese. Alright my friends, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. You know you need that mid-afternoon snack. Now it's your turn to make these 3 high-protein dairy snacks to feel great. For more information about the health benefits of dairy, visit usdairy.com.